What the bro? Making a tutorial again? So guys, we are inside our sample project. Suppose we like to add some watermark to our video. For that, go to pip, import the logo you wanna use as watermark. Tab on the logo layer to unselect everything. Go to effect, mirror, tab, hold, apply the effect 9. Tab on the edge, video end to cover the full clip. Make sure the effect layer is selected. Range, select the logo. Go to add. Again mirror. Apply the effect 9 again. Range, logo. Tab on the green layer for the overlays. Select the logo layer, position it like you want. Go to blend, decrease the opacity a little bit to make the logo semi-transparent, or use the option overlay or soft, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.